Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in 2015 Volkswagen Tiguan and I will show you how to remove and replace the cabin air filter. This video will apply to these vehicles made from 2009 all the way up to 2017. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Cabin air filter on these vehicles is located under the glove box and it's not too hard to replace. So I will turn on the flash on my phone so you can see it better. You'll have to get into a bit of an awkward position because you'll have to remove this bottom cover, and to do that you have these two black trim screws. You don't need any tools, you just have to unscrew them. So one here and one on the opposite side, so just remove those all the way, and the other side as well, and then you can pull this cover all the way down. Okay, so the cabin air filter will be in this box right here. Now what you have to do, you have to slide this cover to be able to access the filter. So actually you have this like a tab, you just want to push it to slide the cover off. See? And then the filter should just slide out. And as you can see on this vehicle, it wasn't replaced in a while because it's terribly dirty. I got this car off the car auction and I always try to replace all of the filters, do the oil change and things like that. That's the first thing I do. And once you have the new filter, you will just slide it back into this opening and then slide on the cover back. Even here on top of the cover you can see to open, slide. So there is the arrow, which can definitely help you out. One more thing I will mention: when you're replacing the cabin air filter, you have to watch for the air circulation direction, and there should be like a small arrow pointing shown on the air filter. So in this situation the cabin air filter was like this, right? So the air circulation will be towards that side, towards the engine. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.